Hey guys, we have another question from Andy, and he wants to know how you change the font for any of the elements. So let's say I want to change the font for this. So the easiest way is I go to the Styles tab, then I head to Font and Style, and then I can select from these four choices. As many of you would be wondering why there are no fonts like Arial or Times New Roman instead of these. So the thing is that Bootstrap framework, or what the good design practice is, that you have you don't have more than two or three fonts on your site. So it's better that you set these fonts, like you set a font for your body for the heading. This is for the code, like if you have any code or HTML code, stuff like that. So this is for that. And of course, then you can always have a custom font. So in rare cases, you can add a font directly, but this is not recommended. But I'll show you first how to use the custom font. Then I'll show you that we will use the heading font for changing this. So if you go to custom, now I can just select any font. Like if I want, I can just select like this one, and it will change it accordingly. But this is not the recommended way to do it. So what we do instead is we first go to the heading font, as this element is a heading type, right? Heading, and then we go to the site styles, and these are basically the themes. Like let's say I want, let's say like these are, you can say, a collection of the fonts and the colors and the overall design, like how the spacing is done. It's by a very wonderful site called Bootstrap Swatch. So like if I want that, I want to like change the font altogether, so I can just like go, and I'll show you a nice theme that I like. It's called Sketchy. Okay, so if I apply this, then you can see that my website, everything about this website has changed, and this has been done using this particular theme. I can try different themes, and it will just change the website altogether using these themes. But for now, we'll just use the default Bootstrap theme, and then we will customize the heading font. So we will customize theme, then we will go to the heading font, and now we will change it to this. Okay, so as you can see, the headings everywhere, including the page that we were on, will change to this particular font. And this way you don't have to go and change each and every heading. Changing this heading font will make sure that anywhere there is a heading on your website, it will now use this font. So I hope that answers the question. Thank you. Bye.